Now, are there actually better examples of ancestry composition? I mean, I feel like mine's pretty homogenous.
I'd love for you to pull up the results for a friend of mine, Roy King.
Holy cow.
Who now, Roy understands that his ancestry traces to Europe, to Africa, and that he has some Native American ancestry. And when we look at his results here, we see, look, even chromosome 1 has multiple colors. It has the red, the light blue, and a darker blue. And the darker blue there refers to Ashkenazi Jewish ancestry. And Roy knows that his father's father was Jewish. And so if we go back to map view, we'll see that about getting close to a quarter of Roy's ancestry traces back to the Ashkenazi Jewish population. And that fits with one of his grandfathers being Ashkenazi Jewish. And if we look at the rest of his ancestry, almost half traces back to sub-Saharan Africa, the red ring here, and the rest traces back to Northern Europe, specifically Britain and Ireland. Now, what is really cool is that we have these bars right here. And if we look over, if you click on the Native American, so those orange and deep red bars refer to parts of the genome that trace back to Native Americans. And and intriguingly, Roy King knows that on his mother's side, he has ancestors, Creek and Choctaw ancestors. So that is showing up in his DNA. So basically, his understanding of where his ancestors come from really shows up very beautifully in his DNA.
Right. He has a much more interesting genetic background than I do from many different parts of the globe.
And that is important. Even when we go to look at the health results, the health reports are all done in the context of a particular population. So it's very important to kind of be clear on the ancestral background of someone as we go to look at the other parts of the results.
Great.